What's up, my royal flush? In today's video, I'm going to be just doing a fun carnival makeup look. So that's pretty much it. It's going to be a voiceover. I haven't done a voiceover in so long, y'all, but make sure y'all hit the subscribe button and do not forget the bell notification button right next to it to be notified for my future uploads. With that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your imagination.
Okay, y'all. So I'm going to be using the ABH eyelid primer. I love this eyelid primer, y'all. I don't know where it has been all my life. I'm so glad I picked it up when the eyebrow pencil was $10. But I'm going in with the Thirsty palette by Jeffree Star, and I'm using that blue shade right there, and I'm going to pack that on my inner corner area and just blend that out as well, y'all. That highlighted primer is bomb. And I'm going to go in with the Jawbreaker palette and take that pink shade right there and place that right next to it. Blending that in with the blue kind of makes the lilac purple shade already that I'm going to place down after this. It makes it already, which is weird, but you know, the color wheel, you know, but I'm taking that lilac shade right there and I'm going to place that right after the pink just to make a little carnival, you know, cotton candy vibe eyeshadow cut crease. Yeah, so, and I really love this look. It's very, very cute. So it did have a little fallout. It was kind of powdery, the purple shade, but I don't really give a fuck about fallout. So now I'm just cutting my crease. I'm going to do more of an elongated cut crease. That's what I call it. And I'm just going to make it like fun and wacky because I have not made an elongated cut crease in a minute. I always do half cut creases. But yeah, I'm just about to cut my crease. And I'm using the eyelid primer as well. I love that primer. It is so full coverage. It is so good. Why is my phone coming off? I need to turn this shit on mute. But I love this shit. So good. Y'all should definitely pick it up. I got the larger size. But I did dislike how it was leaking out. Like, it was just spewing out. Like, if I would take off the top or something of the eyelid primer, it would spew out. So that's why I just didn't like. I just wish it was more secure in there. But yeah. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera because this eye is completed and it's so cute. I really love it. And I'm going to go in with the Hangover RX primer because shout out to Auntie Jackie for mentioning the lip bar in her new video. So of course I had to kick out her star product that she literally loves and she raves about and talks about all the time. I love this stuff so much, especially this combination, like the Hangover RX primer with the you know, the Korean pore primer. Very good. Loved it. Had me looking so porcelain. Where my, you know, my skin in general just so good. Like, I love it. Y'all know a bitch loves to set her primer, and I'm taking the Patrick's powder actually to set my primer. I love setting my primer, and I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, and I'm going to mix that with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Y'all, this combination is so good. I'm trying more of a glowy foundation. This foundation is very yellow. It's not my correct shade, but at the end, y'all see I made it work. Okay, it's very yellow. I see that, but I mixed it with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation just to make it look a little bit better, because I want to try more glowy foundations, because I've been just wearing matte foundations all the time, which is the Wet n Wild foundation. This, you know, I love that foundation so much. It's my all-star favorite foundation. Love that. Now I'm taking the Milani concealer. I love this concealer so much, y'all. Y'all know I love it. And I'm just placing that everywhere. It's not really highlighting. It's more of just a little bit of brightening. And I'm setting it with the Coty Airspun face powder. My whole entire face with Coty Airspun. I love that powder so much. It just makes my skin look so soft, so smooth. It's such a good primer. You get 2 ounces of product. 2 ounces. That's a lot in one cheap product. It was like $6. And you, of course, need to dust off that translucent powder with a powder your skin tone. And I love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder. It's so good. It's my favorite face powder. I just restocked another one. And I'm taking the Black Radiance face powder just to contour with. And I'm taking a Morphe brush just to contour and chisel my face, and just to make sure I look really good and really flawless, and snatching my nose a little bit too as well. Y'all, it is my favorite bronzer, the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And I'm using that to just warm up my skin and to give me that little summer glow. It's like a slight sheen to it, which I really like. It gives you that glowy skin look as well. This bronzer is so good. It does not go deep enough. I actually use the deepest shade. And I'm taking the Morphe foundation powder and just packing that under my eye just to, you know, settle down that highlight under my eye, just to make sure it looks very good and cohesive with each other. Taking the ColourPop blush and Drive Me Crazy. I got this in recommendation from Alyssa Ashley. I love this blush so much. It's a slight sheen to it. It is a Super Shock cheek, which I guess is ColourPop's cheek products and face products that have a little slight sheen to it. And I'm going to drench my entire face with the MAC Fix Plus and several other setting sprays as well. Y'all know I love to set my face with like multiple sprays. And I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm highlighter. Love this stuff so much. My favorite highlighter. Is literally the only thing I wear on my skin now. I do not wear any other highlighters, really, just that. It's just so pretty. I guess I'm going to wear it till I get tired of it, which I'm not. And I took a little blue from the Jawbreaker palette and just smoked that underneath my eye as well. And I also lined my eye as well, just to make sure everything looks cute. And I already lined my lips with the ColourPop lip pencil in BFF number 3. And I'm taking Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in I'm Nude. And I'm just going to use that to create the perfect ombre for myself. So I'm taking the my lashes. I love these lashes so much, y'all know. Like, putting on lashes is so easy for me now. When I first started, it was just all bad. So that was the Makeup Shayla gloss that y'all saw. That gloss that I showed, that was the Makeup Shayla gloss. My favorite gloss ever. I bought like 3 of them. I love them so much. But get into these lashes, y'all. Like, look at those. Like, it's so easy. Like, I'm telling y'all, when I used to struggle with lashes so much, but like, I don't struggle at all. Like, it's just so easy. I just plop them right on. But so this gloss, y'all, get into it. I love this gloss so much. It has so many different color specs inside of it. I hope ColourPop never gets rid of it, because if I heard they was whatever the fuck the word is, if I heard they were discontinuing it, I would definitely buy like so many, because I love this gloss so much. Like, just look at it. So fucking pretty. But y'all, this look is so cute so far, and I really love it. Like, the whole thing, like, it just comes together. Like, it really does. Taking a little Benefit brow setter gel. My favorite brow setter gel, y'all. Like, besides mascara, it's the only thing that sets my brows. I'm so stupid. It's the only thing that sets my brow in place so good. Like, I feel like it's just on par with mascara itself. Like, so good. I really, really love it. And so with that, y'all, this is the finished look. It is just so cute. Just so freaking cute. Look at that. Like, get into it. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed today's video. It was property. It was very simple, very, just everything very extra because of these lashes. I love extra lashes. This look is pretty cute, and it's featuring the Star Jawbreaker palette, which I really, really enjoyed. It was a really, really good palette, you guys. So if you guys did enjoy this video, this Carnival makeup tutorial, Carnival eye makeup tutorial, then give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button right before you leave. With that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.